how to learn spoken English, how to master spoken English, how to start spoken English, and where from to start spoken English. Most of the students ask me these questions again and again. So, I'm irfan, and today's video is about spoken English. Before jumping into the topic, first of all, let me clarify two things. One is academic English and another one is non-academic English. Now, what type of English do you want to learn? Academic English or non-academic English? For academic English, you need English grammar, sentence structure, and appropriate vocabulary. But as far as non-academic English is concerned, for that, you don't need English grammar, sentence structures, and proper vocabulary. So, first of all, let me clarify these two terms. Non-academic English means the English that we use in our day-to-day life. For example, if you want to go to a shop, you want to buy something, and you converse and you discuss with the shopkeeper regarding the prices, you want to buy something, you want to pay the bill, that is non-academic English. Another example, if you want to travel somewhere, on the bus station or on train station, you want to ask about the fare, about the routes, about the location, and rest of the things. For that, you don't need your grammatically correct English. If you have vocabulary, you ask 2 or 3 words, the next person will understand what you want to say or what you want to ask. But as far as academic English is concerned, for that you need grammatically correct English, correct sentence structures, and appropriate vocabulary. For example, if you want to go for IELTS, PTE, or other examinations, mean language proficiency test or examinations, for that you need grammatically correct English. If you want to speak in front of the examiner will judge, the examiner will examine and observe your grammatically correct English. If you are unable to convey the message properly, he will not give you the proper base, because you want to show that you are proficient in English. And what does it mean? It means that you know English vocabulary, you know English grammar, you know English sentence structures, and all these things. So, now it's up to you. What type of English do you want to learn? You want to learn non-academic English or you want to learn academic English? Most of the students go to academies, and the academies owners and the trainers, they say that we don't need English grammar for spoken English. But I'm not eye to eye with them, because if you want to learn academic English, for that, English grammar, sentence structures, proper vocabulary, appropriate phrases, these are as much essential as oxygen is essential for life. But if you want to learn non-academic English, means the English of day-to-day life, then you just need the vocabulary, and the next person will understand what you want to ask or what you want to say. Now, if you want to learn grammatically correct English, means academic English, for that I have uploaded all the videos in Pashto language, in Urdu language. You just visit the Namal College of English YouTube channel, then you will find over there tenses, active voice, passive voice, direct and indirect narrations, modal verbs. All these things you will find over there. First of all, complete those tenses. Now, one thing more that is very much important, that for spoken English, you don't need to learn active voice, passive voice, direct, indirect narrations. You just need to learn and to understand the use of 8 tenses. After that, modal verbs, then structures. And I'm fully convinced that after that, you will be mastering English. Whenever I upload a video in English language, you will easily understand that. And it is an announcement that after day-to-day, whenever I upload a video regarding spoken English, that will be in English language. Because if we want to improve our spoken English, for that I have to upload the videos in English language. Whenever I upload a video, that will be regarding action verbs. For example, if I wanna go outside, so I will upload the video that how to speak regarding going outside, how to speak about hiking, how to speak about cooking, how to speak about gathering. All these things I will upload on my YouTube channel on daily basis or on weekly basis. So stay tuned.